Hello and welcome back to Just for Fun. And for fun we're going to do this project. Now I love the wireless electricity idea on this thing here, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another one, but something that you hold in your hand. So I'm using the clock cover here, the quartz clock. The reason I'm using this because I got a battery holder there, and you just put a battery in, off you go. But I'm thinking something else now, because I'm thinking the battery holder, even though it'll hold a 1.5 volt battery, it might need the smaller battery, which is at the moment should be 12 volts, but it's 11 point something volts. So if it needs this one, I'll adapt this to put that in there somehow and just keep in there. So we'll see how it goes like. So at the moment I've soldered these leads on here just to make sure that it's all snugly in there, because it kept coming out. I glued it down, and that's where we are. So I'm going to wind the coil, which is smaller than this one, obviously, which will go around this one. But basically I found this tub which kind of fits nicely, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to wind the coil. These coils are wound as we learned from the last one, any turns, any blah blah, except the resistor. The resistor we have to change to accommodate the transistor. Now I put how many turns did I put on here? I put 20 turns, I think. Yeah, 20 turns. I've got my writing somewhere. Okay, I found my drawing. I was looking for it everywhere. So here it is, and as far as I remember, I put 20 turns and 20 turns. No, it's 25 turns on this one, on the single coil, 20 and 20 turns on this one, right, okay, yeah. So it's 20 turns and 20 turns with a tapping on. So I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to put 25 turns on each of them, because obviously the diameter of this is small. I just thought I want to keep it to nearest as possible to that. And then it's 25 turns here, but I'm going to put 50 turns on the single coil, and let's see how it goes. 30 standard wire gauge. This is the wire I have got. I mean, you could use anything you got really. Okay, so here I go again, because I've done it once and this wire just wouldn't slide off. So I'll put some of these gloves on, and let's hope it works this time. Let's see. So I'm going to put 25 turns on, put a tap in on 25 turns again, right? This is the diagram if you want to pause the video and have a look at it. This is from the last video also. A transistor. Now if you're wondering how is it connected, well, a single wire, you take the single wire and you put the, see it's scraped off somewhere here, you put the resistor on there, one side of it anyway. So if I just solder that for the time being. The other side is the transistor base. I know everybody has clips they can hold on to like this. And the emitter, which is this one, goes to the negative of the battery, and the positive of the battery will go to the center tap. And the collector goes to the other end of the coil. I want to put something there to kind of switch on and off. I haven't got a switch, but I'll just touch it for now to get it working. I'm going to use the green LED for this one because I think the green LED lights up pretty nice. Okay, quick test, a rough test in fact, very rough test indeed. So it looks like this is the positive here, and if I touch these two together, there you go, it lights up straight away, no problem. Wait, there you go. So what I'm going to do is prettify it. See how we can make that nice and neat. So here it is, guys. I've glued them down nicely so it looks okay-ish. Not 100% what I want, but still. And then I've taped things down, kept it in there. There's the battery, and I put two wires out here just to like touch like this, because I haven't got a switch, to be honest with you. So I just put two wires there, so you just hold it down like that. And this one, prettified it as much as I could. So when you put that there, it should light up. As you can see, it's not lighting up until you switch it on, which is just up here. Just down here. There you go, guys. I'm going to turn this light off here, so you can see it's working nicely. There you go. So I think we'll call this project a success and leave it like that. I was thinking I might need a brighter battery there. I mean, I can put another battery in there, the smaller one. That will light this up really bright indeed. Okay everyone, here's the finished version of this thing. I did take the battery out. I put a spring in there. I have glued this down because I want to hold this there by itself anyway. it'd be alright because I'm not really interested in keeping this forever. And switch is here. So here we go. If I switch it on there, it's more brighter than the other one, so that's why I put the battery on. Anyway guys, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this project indeed. I loved it, and I love the concept and the idea of all this thing. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe, thumbs up. Wireless electricity. Wireless electricity.